What is going on, YouTube? It's your boy Mr. Random, and today I'm going to show you guys how to install COBRA badges on your Ford Crown Victoria. You see, there's two reasons why I decided to install COBRA badges on the Crown Vic, and one of those reasons is because today's car culture has a really bad habit of telling people what they can and can't have on their cars and what they can and can't do to their cars. And you know what I have to say to those people? I know there's some younger viewers that watch my videos, so I'm not going to say it to them, but it starts with an F. Tools that you'll be needing for this install are quite simple. We're going to have some painter's tape. We're going to be using some nail polish. I'll get to that in just a second. We're going to need just a regular old drill and these two attachments right there. After that, what you're going to want to do is pick a spot on your Crown Victoria where you would like your emblem to be installed. As far as I go, that's where I'm going to be placing my emblem. As you guys can see, what I did was I placed the emblem and I used the painter's tape to mask off exactly where the emblem is going to go, so I don't forget the spot that I picked. Now, this is going to be a tribute to all the Florida highway patrols out there that drove unmarked marauders back in my home state. They took a lot of DUIs and reckless drivers off the road, and a lot of people don't know they actually rocked COBRA badges on the sides of their unmarked cars. So this one's for you boys. Alright guys, now once you decided where you're going to be placing your COBRA badge, this is where that nail polish is going to come in handy. At least what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be painting the outer rim of that little circle. Then I'm going to be sticking it to the fender. And what that's supposed to do, in theory at least, it's going to leave an exact mark of where these two little circles are located. At least the lower one. It's not perfect, but at least I know where that circle is going to be. Now this next part's going to make a lot of people cringe, because that's when our drill with our hole making attachment is going to come in handy. That's right. We're going to have to drill a little hole on the fender of our Crown Victoria. Now I just found out once your hole is big enough to actually put the lower part of the emblem on, you can put some more nail polish on the very top on that little point. And now it's going to touch, and you'll know exactly where to drill your next hole. The last step is to COBRA badge your Crown Victoria. The point is, guys, do whatever you want to do to your car. Do whatever makes you happy. Do whatever you think makes your car look unique, and just bring out the best of it. Because if everybody did the same thing to their cars, if everybody followed the same code, if everybody went by the same rules, the same guidelines, you're supposed to do this to a Crown Vic, it's supposed to look like a cop car, you're supposed to have these kind of rims, the world will be a very boring place.